Yo, what's poppin', my goons? We back, right back with that credit game for the goons. You know who, you know what it do. Your host with the most on the West Coast, the one and only Spontaneous Productions. Back with some crazy game for you goons. I'm about to have you blasting off today. When you want more, hey, you pull up and we give it to you for sure. You know that. So yo, I'm gonna give you guys some sauce today on how to start a company, alright? How to open up an LLC, how to start a company to get a lot of credit. You about to get business credit, alright? Straight like that. We're gonna get right into it. How to get business credit, alright? So pull up, keep your ear glued to the speaker, and let's get busy, you heard? Mash on that like and subscribe button right now, you heard? Hire us. And goons we trust. We get your credit up. And so yo, easy to start an LLC, alright? Easy, straight like that. First step, we're gonna go to Northwest Registered Agent, alright? So goons, pull up, follow along. NorthwestRegisteredAgent.com. And at NorthwestRegisteredAgent.com, you're gonna get a registered agent. That's basically a person to take care of your business, alright? No matter where your business is at, your LLC, what a registered agent is, it's an individual or company that accepts services on your behalf. Basically, they process lawsuits on your behalf, on all the business, all the paperwork, they handle it on your behalf, all right? And they just forward that information to you, all right? So a registered agent, you're going to get a free, here's what you're going to get with your LLC, all right? You're going to get a free website domain, okay? You need that website for your company. You're going to get business website hosting. All right, you need that. A business email. All right, you need that. A business phone line. You're going to need that. Okay, privacy. You want to stay low key. You need that. All the corporate guides, all the information. Basically like a coach. All right, you're going to get back end support, all the business tools, all the state compliance that you need. Pretty much all that. Secure online account. All the business stuff you need for all states. All right, so you can bust down in any state. But I'm going to show you how we get busy, because I know you goons like the cheap, fast route to getting shit done and getting to the money. So I'm going to show you how I do it, because that's how we do it, the cheap, easy way. And so we use Northwest Registered Agent, all right? Start an LLC. So you just want to click Start an LLC, and it costs $40 basically from the set it up. $40 plus whatever the fee is for your state, all right? So you can pretty much go to any state you wish to start it up. But I'm going to just give you the way I did it. You're going to get an EIN number. You need that. You need an EIN number so you can get credit cards and bank accounts, all right? Business loans. So $40. You're going to pay that plus the state fee. You're going to get 1 year a registered agent for free, all right? All right. So, and then you're going to get like 3 months of free services, all right? And you can use those 3 months of services to start building your stuff. And so you select the state, and I chose Wyoming, so I already clicked it already, Wyoming. So you're just gonna click whatever state you pick. I picked Wyoming. I'm gonna tell you about Wyoming, limited liability company. It's $100 to file in Wyoming, so it's cheap. Wyoming, why Wyoming? Here's why. Now I'm in California, all right, but my company, Method Solutions LLC, my company is in Wyoming, all right? So Wyoming, it has privacy protection. It protects your assets, okay? In Wyoming, you can pretty much hide yourself. You don't have to let it be known that you're the owner. So if anybody tries to sue you or whatever, like, hey, it doesn't show that you're the owner of the company, not in Wyoming, all right? There's privacy. That's why people use Wyoming, for the privacy benefits, and it's cheap, all right? Wyoming LLCs provide exceptionally strong asset and privacy protections if they are properly formed and maintained, okay? Starting an LLC in Wyoming costs you $100, all right? So $140 and it's $60 a year just to keep it going, all right? That's cheap. So, I have started LLC in Wyoming, blah, blah, it's easy. Name your LLC. Step 1, all right? Step 1, name the LLC. I named mine, Method Solutions. You know, so tap into that. You know, I help goons, you know, get credit and all that funding, all that methods, credit sweep, all that trade lines, all that credit stuff. That's what we do at Method Solutions. All right, we out of Wyoming. Okay, domain name. They're gonna help you register, and they're gonna give you this stuff for free for 3 months. All right, but then you're gonna pay a fee after that, but it's not much. I'll show you later. All right, they're gonna submit all your articles of organization, all the paperwork. Basically, you're gonna get the government seal and all that stuff that you need. All that paperwork. All right. They're gonna get you the EIN. Now you gotta get the EIN. You can pay them to get the EIN, but I'll show you. Don't do that. Just get your EIN yourself. It'll take you 10 minutes. All right. You get your EIN for free yourself. All right. And then, you know, registered agent, you're going to get that. This is going to be your person in command. You know, phone number, you got to get that. You know, all the information. Organization, like I said, Secretary of State. They say it could take, 15 days, all that. Not my experience. I got it all done it took about like 3 days, to be for real. So forget all this stuff. You don't need to expedite it. It took 3 days. I just got the cheap plan, so $140 bucks. All right. So we're going with Wyoming. So if you want to just get a corp that you can, you know, stay low key and hide your information, go to Wyoming. You're gonna get an EIN. Boom. EIN. You can just click to the government website and get an EIN. Basically, it's like a social security number for your business, 9-digit number. You need that to get bank accounts and credit cards. My goon, slapping you in the head with that crazy sauce and method. So hit that like button for the goon. Come on, support the joint. You know, do it. Come on, let's blast off. You open up a bank account. After you get an EIN, you can open up a business bank account. All right, this is all stuff you can do in 1 week of opening it. So if you start today, by next week you can have an EIN and a bank account. All right. Annual report, you know, it's just, you know, some paperwork that is really easy to file, 10 minutes. A BOI report is something new, kind of for like the government to know who's the business owner. So even though like you're hiding your assets and protecting yourself with the Wyoming Corp, staying private, you're staying private in the public area, but the government still has to know that you have a business and this is something new. So it's a BOI report. They can file it for you for like $50, but you can do this for free. It takes you like 10 minutes. You can do it for free. All right. So that's how we're gonna do that. Going straight to Wyoming, and there's all the information you need. All the freaking information you need about the business. You don't gotta go scouring around YouTube. Just go on the page, sign up, join, and it tells you every single thing. All right. Every single thing about the business. All right. It's not difficult as you think. All right. In this video, it's gonna run long, so I'm gonna just break it up in parts. All right, so this is just part one to make your LLC so you can get 100 racks in credit, 200 racks in credit, 500,000 in credit, $1 million in credit. You can get $1 million in credit in a year. It's not impossible to do, and you get big credit lines with the LLC. All right, so you need an LLC to get big credits. All right, big credit lines. So, you know, you just want to click hire us and let them do all the work for you. Now, I'll show you. I've logged into my account. I've been with them for 3 months. So my LLC is 3 months old. Boom, you pull up, you know, you get an account, you know, you get all your documents. Everything's here. Your documents are here, your invoices, you know, services requiring attention, you know, orders, customer support, fax, every single thing you need. You know, all your services, you know, phone line. I got a phone line. Boom, you just click phone line. Boom. Method Solutions LLC, you know, we got a phone number. You can call my phone number and all that, you know. Call up, holler at the goon. Leave a message, though, if I don't answer. You heard? Leave a message or even text. They take text. You know, all your forms. You know, you need a virtual office. You're going to need a virtual office because, like I said, I'm in California, but my LLC is in Wyoming, so I have a virtual office. So you got to get a virtual office. Let's go to documents. I got an office lease. I paid $30 a month. So as you can see, $30 a month, virtual office agreement. This is a real lease agreement. So, you know, effective, you know, 8/12/2024. So you get you an office lease, and you know, you can take this to any landlord. Boom, boom, boom. It's legit. $30 a month. As you can see, it shows it for 12 months. Lease is legit for 12 months. So it goes to show I have a real office. So this is really my office. You can really, you know, how that my office, you know, it's a real office, you know, and straight like that. So you got to have a virtual office, and I can get, mail and stuff like that. You know, I get mail, and they will forward me all the mail. And so they forward me the mail, and it works straight like that. Okay, I got a website, methodsolutionsllc.com. Pull up, holla at the Goons website. You know, site builder, you can manage the website, you can build it. And I had them build the website for me, straight like that. I made a template, and they built the website. This is what they'll do. They will build you a website. Giving you Goons sauce right now. You even got to build a website. You just come with the templates, and they'll help build it with you. In like a week, they'll build you the site however you want it, all right? And so I'm just giving you sauce on how it's done, you know? So, you know, and then you get email, you know, you got email services. So you need an email. I just go to manage email, boom, boom, boom. And then I also got an email. So you got to have email, a phone number, a website. And these are all the things you need. And, you know, just go to your webmail, boom, boom, boom. Method Solutions, holler at me. You know, it's my email, so you can holler at the Goon. And then I just, you know, click the webmail, and then it just pops up straight like that. And so, you know, boom, boom, boom. And then here goes the webmail, just like that. Easy. Straight like that. So, you know, you get an email account, and then you get a phone number, and you get a website, and you get office space. I'm telling you, like, this is how you do it. Straight like that. I'm giving you crazy sauce like never before. And then all the legal forms, all the docs, all the resources, everything you need. So go to northwestregisteredagent.com. All right. And this is how you get started. All right. This is how you get started to get your LLC so you can get credit. Now, you don't even have to do anything for your business. You can do nothing. Straight like that. But just because you have an LLC, there's different ways and methods you can do to make it look like your business makes money. Even if you do nothing, you can get business credit, because all the Goons want to get that bad. You want to get that business credit. And even if you have bad credit, it don't matter. You can still get credit by using net 30 vendors and trade lines like that. Or you can get credit if you have good credit. Just use PG, and you can fast track the process to getting a lot of credit. And so I'm going to show you Goons how to, you know, move with that in a previous video, so stay tuned. This is probably gonna be like a 3-part video, all right? And so, yo, this is just the easy intro basics, how to start an LLC out of Wyoming, 140 bucks, all right? That's pretty much what I paid. And then I paid like 50 bucks a month for the phone, for the email, and the service. For the phone, the email, and the website is like 21 bucks, and then for the office space, the virtual address is 29 bucks. So that's 30 bucks. So it's 50 bucks total a month to maintain it. 50 bucks a month for all the necessary things you need to run a company. All right, you get an LLC. And you can make as many LLCs as you want, but this is just one. All right, straight like that. And so, yo, you found the value in this video? You know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment. And keep blasting off with the crazy powerful. You know what it is. Credit game for the Goons. One and only Spontaneous Productions. And you want that exclusive sauce, credit sweep sauce, how to credit sweep any profile in 7 days, or you want to know how to blast off and make your credit report go crazy sky high, how to build credit fast, tap in 500. Hire me. 500. I'll put you on game with crazy sauce like I always do. Make sure you win. Guaranteed. Believe that. You heard? Till next time, my Goons. Pull up. Get you an LLC. Like I said, 40 bucks, they set it all up. Everything you need is right here. NorthwestRegisteredAgent.com. Right? Till next time, we out. Peace.